If there was a piece of advice that you could give to go back and give to yourself, to any of your clients early in their career, that would have made a significant difference for them and made their path easier and might make easier the path of all the writers watching or listening to us, what would you go back and tell either them or yourself?
I mean, I think what I would say, and I think I've kind of come to it myself, and you can see from my journey as well, is remember who you were as a child. Remember that original self. That's your voice. Do anything you can to connect to that original self and be true to it, because we want things that fit somewhere in a market, but we want to hear your original, authentic, who you are, your point of view. That's valuable. That's original. That's something nobody else can bring to it. And that joy of being a child, of being somebody who creates, remember that and always tap into it. Don't lose it. Don't ever lose it, because this is your craft. It's separate from the market, from agenting, from all that stuff. Be the joyful creator that you are, and everything else is extra. That's what I think, and it's a long game, and so don't let anything kill that joy of writing. That's really the magic. That's what I would say.